Did you know your watch could literally save your life, or at least stop your mom from texting you every 10 minutes about your bad sleep? Yeah, 2024's wearables are that crazy. Wait till you see number 3. It might just outsmart your gym, bro. Alright, let's get charged up. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm counting down the top 5 wearables revolutionizing health in 2024. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 10. Yes, the GOAT keeps getting goatier. This thing checks your heart with an FDA-cleared ECG so it can literally text you, "Hey, you're alive. Chill." It tracks blood oxygen, sleep apnea, and rumor has it, glucose monitoring is coming soon. Also, if you fall like a soccer player after a light breeze, crash detection calls for help. Honestly, it's like having a mini doctor on your wrist, minus the copay. Next level, Oura Ring Gen 4, aka the ring that actually tells you how badly you're sleeping. Forget counting sheep. Oura counts your REM cycles, deep sleep, and even flags when you're getting sick, before your boss does. Not today, virus. It's sleek, comfy, and biohackers swear by it. I tried wearing it to a party, and now my friends think I'm engaged to science. Number 3, and this one's for you, gym warriors, Whoop 5.0. No screen, just pure analytics, like a fitness coach who never yells. It tracks your strain, recovery, skin temp, and blood oxygen. Even logs how your late-night pizza impacts performance. You'll finally have data to prove why you skipped leg day. Okay, number 4, Dexcom G7, the game changer for diabetics. This tiny patch gives you real-time glucose numbers. No finger pricks, no drama. AI alerts keep you from going low or high, and you can check it on your phone. It's so smart, it might just start texting your mom for you. Rounding out the list, Fitbit Sense 3. Budget-friendly but still flexing. It's got stress tracking, ECG, SPO2, and Google AI health tips. Plus, the battery lasts longer than your last relationship. But wait, what's next for wearables? Coming soon! Blood pressure sensors you don't have to strap to your arm, AI that predicts diseases before you even hit WebMD panic mode, and wearables that track your mental health with biometrics. The future is looking smart, and maybe a little bit psychic. So which wearable would you trust with your health in 2024? Apple Watch for all-around genius? Oura for that, I know my REM cycles flex? Whoop for the data-hungry? Dexcom for blood sugar wizards? Or Fitbit for the budget ballers? Drop your answer below, and let's see whose wrist is winning. Oh, and if you made it this far, you're officially smarter than your smartwatch. Smash that like button if your wearable has ever judged your sleep. Hit subscribe for more health tech, and comment which one changed your life. Wait, did you catch the hidden meme? Rewind and comment if you spotted it. See you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay weird.